What's happening, ladies and gentlemen out there in YouTube land? I got a quick fun video for you guys today that we're going to compare 22 and 30 cal Hades pellets versus Balogne at 100 yards for terminal ballistics and permanent wound channel. So let's get started sighting in with these 16 grain Hades 22 cal running out of this Gauntlet 1. It's pretty foggy downrange at 100. I'm having a hard time seeing where these marks are, but I think I got where she's hitting now. Yep, now I got it. Alright, let's get on that Balogne. Gonna spread out about 5 shots on that pack. Okay, got on target. Switch to the dirty 30 cal now. 30 cal Hades, 44 grain. 100 yards, let's sight her in, see where she's hitting. Yeah, those impacts are definitely easier to see through this fog. Alright, I'm good. Let's throw some shots on that Balogne pack on the right.
Alright, so it seemed like the 30 was easier to get on the Balogne pack outdoors. Got a slight breeze, so the 16 grain 22 cals Hades at 100 wasn't the best. So between the two, I would say long distance 30 cal pellets are gonna stay truer to on their point of impact than the 16 grain Hades, which could obviously be predicted. So 16 grain versus 44 grain outdoors in the wind, 44 grain is going to do better. So as far as the comparison between that and that, 30 cal is definitely the winner.
But let's walk on down there and retrieve those packs. Pass by them hen houses. Take a look at them beautiful chemtrails up there in the sky, courtesy of our overlords, always looking out for us. So, okay, looks like full pass-throughs on both right there, which I'm kind of surprised. I thought at 100 yards them 16 grains would dump some energy in that there Balogne, them Hades, but looks like they treated this here Balogne just like an average ordinary paper punching projectile. I don't know, maybe a little bit bigger wound cavity than a Diabolico projectile, but yeah, not too impressed, you know. So for the 30 Hades, let's see here. Okay, I see you, dog. It's looking a little bit more of a ballistic energy dump right there. It's gonna cause some wreckage inside the flesh of that there quarry at 100 yards, no doubt.